Dear connections, today we will solve another Power BI interview question which is very important. At first, you may think that this question is very easy, but many good consultants of Power BI fail to answer in the interview. So, the question is, how will you change the data type of a data column having whole number as its data type? So let's jump into our Power BI. So here you can see there are two columns, order number and date. And if you see the date column, it is in whole number and the date is like 2021 0820. We can we know that this is YYYMMDD format, but it is in whole number. So how to change it in date format? To change it in date format, it involves two steps. In the first step, you have to select the column and change it data type to text. So it will change it to text. Then the second and the last step, the, in the last step, again we need to select that column and choose the date format. See, now the date format changed perfectly. 2021 G 8th of August month, 20th August. YYMMDD. So like this way you need to change. If you directly want to do it in date format, it will not change. Let me show you that also. If I delete these two and if I want to change it directly into the date format, see it will throw an error. So you need to do the same step which I just now described you just now. So I hope you all have understood the full answer. Thank you.